northern lights have always been a source of wonder for me. The intensely beautiful colours and the way they seem to dance across the sky. As a composer, I try to convey how something makes me feel through the music I create. So instead of only seeing the northern lights, could we also hear them? What if we could somehow translate those colours and movements we see into a symphony we can all hear? Introducing artificial intelligence into my music has opened up a whole new range of creative possibilities. I can now feed footage of the northern lights into an AI system which analyzes things such as color, size, shape, and speed. I can then incorporate those elements into the symphony.
As a conductor, I interpret the composer's vision, directing and shaping the character of the music through the orchestra's performance. For Sound of Light, I aim to amplify and enhance the emotion of this particular performance, so it feels as if the northern lights and AI are talking to us through music.